Welcome to Smartsheet Formula Basics Part 3, Concatenate. Concatenation is the combining or joining of multiple values together from two or more cells to create a new value. In Smartsheet, you will use the plus sign to accomplish this. To demonstrate concatenation in Smartsheet, I am going to create a full name field from the first, middle, and last name fields. I am going to enter equals, then select the first name field. Here you can see that I am using the @row reference we discussed in the references video. I am then going to enter the plus sign, then select the middle initial field, another plus sign, then the last name field. This returns the full name, but there are no spaces. If you want your concatenated field to include spaces or other delimiters, you have to include those in the formula. I am going to update the full name field to include spaces. To do that, I add a double quote, space, double quote, in between plus signs. If I drag the formula down, it will concatenate those fields for each row, returning the full name. Let's use concatenation to create a unique ID field. I need to type equals, then select the last name field. I want a hyphen between the last name and the next value, so I will do plus, double quotes, hyphen, double quotes, and another plus sign. Then row ID. If I drag the formula down, it will show the last name, hyphen, row ID as a new value for each field. Let's now use concatenation to create an address field from the individual address elements stored in separate fields. Similar to our full name example, I am going to select each of the address fields, but add a space in between each. This returns the full address. However, instead of spaces, I want the address to have separate lines like you were addressing an envelope. To accomplish this, we can replace the appropriate spaces with the char10 function. Char converts a number into a character. Char10 specifically is the line break character. I also want to change the space between city and state to a comma then space. To properly see the changes, I need to make sure the wrap text is enabled for this column. If I drag the formula down, it will show the address for each field. However, if Street 2 is empty, there is an empty row. We can create an advanced formula to solve this problem. There are a few ways we could handle this, but for this example, we are going to wrap the Street 2 portion in an isText function. This will check to see if there is text in the field or not. If there is text, we are going to include that field and then start a new line for the city. If there is not text, it will skip the Street 2 field. If I drag the new formula down, it will show the updated address for each row. Thanks for watching and learning more about Smartsheet concatenation. If CloudWave can help your business with Smartsheet or any other application we support, please visit our website and reach out to us.